Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art lab. As you can see, I have been experimenting tonight. I'm working with a lot of red, which is not in my comfort zone. So I've done 3 or 4 12 by 12 tiles, and I'm not happy with any of them. So I'm switching to this round 12-inch PVC panel that I've got. I challenged my Patreon group to choose a photo from one of their favorite summer vacations and use that as inspiration for a pour. I'll put up my picture here, which was a picture that I took of the poppies on the roadside on our trip through Spain. And they were just beautiful. I love this photograph. It was my favorite photo of the entire trip. And so I want to do a poppy, but it's really hard for me to do a monochrome red. I just struggle with it, but I'm going to try one more time and hopefully I get a better result. I'll show you the others at the end of the video, but hopefully I'm going to get a better result on this one. So I'm doing a bloom blowout. I have some ultra white pillow paint here. And it is, well, that's a lot of paint. Oops. Lanco brand ultra white. I'm going to lose a lot of that. Let's spin that out a little bit. I don't need quite so much. There we go. In the middle, I need a big puddle. I have some air bubbles rising. I have, let's see here. Here are my colors. I have Pyrrole Red from Golden Fluid Acrylics. And then I've taken the Pyrrole Red and I've added a little bit of Van Dyke Brown to that, give it a deeper tone. Then I have some Arteza Bordeaux Red. And then I have a little bit left of this Vermilion that I've added the Pyrrole Red to make it even more of a red orange. And then I have some black cell activator. I mix mine pretty thick. This is 1:1 Amsterdam lamp black with Australian Floetrol. I find the cells that I get hold their shape a little better when my cell activator is thicker. And I'm just kind of killing time here while my air bubbles rise because I don't want them to come up through my little poppy that I blow out here. And you need to rise, buddy. There you go. And that one, and one more. And yeah, I have been, on the last 2 months, I've been on a mission to learn about blooms. And so I'm continuing that tonight. It's an art lab, so it's all about experimenting, and I'm happy to learn as I go. I'm going to put the Bordeaux Red on the bottom, my first color down, and I'm going to put a lot of this down. So hopefully it acts as a barrier between the white pillow paint, almost like a faux pillow here. I don't want any pink, no pink, just reds. Part of my challenge to myself. I don't want that white to come up. It probably will. I'm not great with blowing these out, but hopefully we'll end up with something we like. Okay. And then we're going to go with the Pyrrole with the Van Dyke Brown in it. And the Pyrrole Red. You can see that these are all kind of in the similar color zones here. Kind of an ombre effect. And then we're going to put the orange red on top of that right here in the center. See if I can scrape some more of that out. And I'm excited to see what kind of vacations my Patreons have been on. I'm hoping we kind of travel the world here. I've been to, I think, 35 or 36 of the US states. I've been to 4 Canadian provinces, And I've been a couple places in Europe, of course, Central America. And I live in Costa Rica, so you know I like to travel, right? There we go. So let's blow this out. I'm using the diffuser on my MHU hair dryer. It has a high and low setting, and it also has a cool button. So I'm gonna put it on high and then press that cool button and check it to make sure that I'm not blowing hot air. But first I'm gonna spread that cell activator out a little bit. And then we're gonna blow it up. Okay, I can already tell I'm gonna like this one better. Pop a couple of more air bubbles before we spin this out, and hopefully it'll gather back into the center a bit. On all of my other ones, I blew it out a little bit differently, so it the black was all over the place rather than in the center. On a poppy, the black is in the center, so I want that look, but this is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let's spin this out. Give it a gentle spin first. I am going to completely lose, hopefully, all of this white. Oh, look at that little curve right there. That definitely looks like a petal. That one too. Monochrome reds are not in my wheelhouse, but I'm loving this. This is pretty. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get rid of some of this though. Let's see. If I move this up just a little bit this way, hopefully the paint will flow faster that direction. Not too hard. I don't want to warp the cells in the center. Let's pull it back. I can feel that I still have a little more paint I could lose. Nice. I still want to get rid of a little bit. That's all cell activator. So let's see how much we can spin off. Ooh, almost gone. But I like it. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'll stop there. I'll bring you in for a close-up.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door. It's the figure on the wall. So many times I heed the call. It's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom. Another shadow for the blind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Although I'm running uphill, I feel I'm always standing still. I can't remember crowded planet full of fear. It's not the way it's meant to be. We should be happy living free. Although I'm running up a hill, I feel I'm always standing still. Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. 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 I hear the songs above my head. They are nearly faded. Every day I'm unafraid to be the last who made it.
When I sound the drums of war, unable to admit it, you were there to fill my home, to gain a sense of fairness. We are turned to stone, but when it comes to love, we're not alone. Sometimes I miss my voice in the depth of hunger. There's a way to calm the noise and scare the mystery monger. We are turned to stone, but when it comes to love, we're not alone. You can tell me now, do you ever wish I'd leave somehow? I am no average Joe. Be with me, and you will see I'm full